Fatty liver disease is a silent menace lurking within, often unnoticed until it's too late. But what exactly is fatty liver? And how can you protect yourself from this hidden danger? Today, we'll uncover the secrets of fatty liver disease, its symptoms, stages, and most importantly, how you can fight back. Slowly. Naturally. Stay with us, because your health could depend on it. Fatty liver, also known as hepatic steatosis, occurs when excess fat builds up in the liver cells. This condition is more common than you might think, affecting millions of people worldwide. The symptoms of fatty liver can be subtle and easily overlooked. Watch out for persistent fatigue, abdominal discomfort, unexplained weight gain, and general feelings of malaise. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's crucial to pay attention. They could be warning signs from your liver. How do you know if your liver is overloaded with toxins? Look for signs like chronic fatigue, frequent headaches, digestive issues, and a constant feeling of being unwell. Your liver works tirelessly to detoxify your body, and when it's overwhelmed, your entire system suffers. Fatty liver can be caused by a variety of factors. Poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, obesity, and a sedentary lifestyle are all major contributors. Even certain medications and medical conditions can increase your risk. Fatty liver disease progresses through several stages, each more dangerous than the last. Understanding these stages is key to preventing severe damage. The first stage is inflammation. As fat accumulates, it causes inflammation in the liver. This stage might not show obvious symptoms, but the damage is starting to take hold. Stage 2, scar tissue formation. In the second stage, scar tissue begins to form. The liver tries to repair itself, but this leads to fibrosis, which is the buildup of scar tissue. Stage 3, fibrosis. Fibrosis is the third stage, where the scar tissue becomes more extensive, but the liver can still function relatively well. However, the damage is becoming harder to reverse. Stage 4, cirrhosis. The final stage is cirrhosis. At this point, the liver is heavily scarred and its function is severely compromised. The liver is now covered with fat deposits and scar tissue, making recovery incredibly difficult. But there is hope. You can take action to heal your liver naturally and prevent the progression of fatty liver disease. Here's how. Step 1. Improve your diet. The first step is to improve your diet. Focus on eating plenty of fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol. Step 2. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is crucial. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This helps reduce fat in the liver and promotes overall health. Step 3. Detoxify your liver. Detoxifying your liver is another important step. One powerful way to do this is with a liver detox smoothie. Here's a recipe to get you started. Liver detox smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 small beet, raw, peeled and chopped, 1 carrot, peeled and chopped, 1 apple, cored and chopped, half a lemon juiced, 1 small piece of ginger peeled, a handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale, 1 cup of water or coconut water. Instructions: prep the ingredients by washing and chopping them. Next, add all the ingredients to a blender. Blend until you have a smooth consistency, adding more water if needed. Finally, pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. This liver detox smoothie is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that help cleanse your liver and support its function. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for liver health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your liver flush out toxins. Here's a tip: you can add fresh lemon juice to water. Step 5. Avoid toxins. Limiting your alcohol intake, avoiding smoking, and being mindful of the medications you use is crucial. Additionally, adding fresh lemon juice to your water can help detoxify your liver naturally. Take control of your health. Taking control of your health starts with small, consistent steps. By improving your diet, exercising regularly, detoxifying your liver, staying hydrated, and avoiding toxins, you can prevent and even reverse fatty liver disease. Your liver works tirelessly for you. It's time to return the favor. Don't wait until it's too late. Start your journey to a healthier liver today. Embrace these natural remedies and take action now. Your liver and your overall health will thank you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on natural health remedies. Like and share this video to spread the word. And join us on this journey to a healthier, happier life.